cleaned houses professionally for like 5 or 6 years. And that was one of my favorite businesses to be in. And I couldn't wait until I got to a place where I could hire my own cleaner. But I've had cleaners and all roads lead back to me. I still like the way that I do it. So I'm going to let you guys see me clean this room. But I want to tell you something. Do you see that those things sitting on the table? If this was a client's house, typically even those things wouldn't be on someone's table. The blanket wouldn't typically be like that. The pillows would typically be together in most people's houses. I will say that. So you're not, when you clean someone's house, you're not tidying up. You're coming to dust and vacuum. That's what you're coming to do. So if you're tidying up, that's a different level of cleaning. You are then stepped into housekeeping, and that's just different. So let's clean this house up together, or no? Okay, I want to give you guys a pro tip. I want you guys to always remember, when you're cleaning a room, you want to start from the top to the bottom. Ouch. From the top to the bottom, because there's going to be dust coming out. You don't want to start with your table and then do the lamp or shelf above, and all that dust comes down onto the other clean surfaces. So start from your top to the bottom. have it, folks. Okay, I was going to do this mirror again, but I literally just did it yesterday, so there was no point. So just make sure you clean your mirrors. If you're watching this video for business purposes, let me tell you this. This is for the initial cleaning. You always want to charge more. You see how I took everything off of the shelf? I would not do that if I was cleaning a house weekly. Right? On the initial cleaning, I would do it because that's your initial cleaning. But after the week after that, I would not do it. The week after that, I would not do it. It would go down to a month. And then the couches and cushions, you go under them every single week as well. But that's it. Get out of here, kids. Go clean your house. Oh my God, I'm so excited to do this video. Okay, so listen. So, what was I getting ready to say?